If you are a company, agency or the professional team and want to add these kind of the signatures in your email, then in this video I'm going to talk about a AI tool with the help of you can do these kind of the signatures in your professional emails here. So I'm going to give you a detailed tutorial here using this AI tool, and right now it's the number 2 product on the product hunt here. So this tool is the sync signature, and here all you need to just add your photo and it is going to automatically turn that into the headboard with these kind of the lookout here. Then after that you need to add the information like your company name, phone number, email address, or the your social links you want to add here, and after that here it is going to show you your email signature. Plus it has also the templates available. You can use any of these here and look at them. There's also the call to action button available. You can also add the custom buttons here. So this is looks really good. So let me start the tutorial and show you how you can do that. So first, how you can get started, get to here on the create free signature. And by the way, this is going to give you some access to this platform, but let me tell you, there's also the limitations you are going to get in the free plan. That's why I suggest get its lifetime deal from the AppSumo, and in just $39 one-time payment you can get the lifetime access and with all the features. So no branding of this sync signature is going to show up. Plus you can also create your profile. There are also some pro templates available that you cannot access in the free plan. There's also the banner you can add and all those stuff. Plus in the tier 2 plan, you can see if you have the custom Google workspace or some custom email builders or the platforms and want to add these signatures on them, then I suggest go with the tier 2 plan, because here you can see auto install for the Google workspaces, unlimited work templates you can create, and there's also the department signatures. So these kind of the extra features you can get in the tier 2 or the higher plan. So let me get its dashboard and click here on the plus icon. And now okay, first I have to delete this one, because like I said, in the free plan you are going to get the only few access. So let me open this one, and here you can see I have added my picture. Let me remove that. Suppose you want to add this kind of the picture of your in the signature. So simply you have to click here on the icon. Now it is going to ask you to select any of the photo. Let me select this one because I am just giving the demo. Then after that you can see it is asking me whether it's 1 to square. So let me select here, make it a little bit zoom. So let's go to the one by one. Click here on the OK, and now it is going to show you the some of the great headbirds. Let me see. Here we have to go on the design section. Sorry, I have made a blender. So now let me see where's you can see this is the headshot I'm talking about. So once you have uploaded the image, it is going to show you these kind of your headshots. So you can change the color like this one, and any of the light you can click here on the use this as the signature headshot. And now after that it is going to be appear here. You can see. So I don't want to be appear here because I have already added this image. And now after that you can add the name, the department or your designation, the email address, the phone number, company logo, and your other information as well with the social links, and that's how it is going to be appear here. Suppose you want to add the another footer part or call to action button, so you can add that thing also here. You can see these are some random words I have added, plus I can also add the link here. Then you want to change the template. Basically this is the simple template I have showed you, but if I click here on the change template, we have so many other designs as well. Right now you can see these are all the template designs available. So with a single click I can add it. So let me select this one because this looks really applying. So right now you can see but the single click I have done that. Let me select another one. And right now you can see you are using the pro. So these are the templates. Some of them might be the pro. You can see this is the pro icon, so you cannot use it in the free access plan. That's why I suggest get its lifetime deal, because here you can access all the premium templates plus extra features as well. So I have to find out the free ones. So let's see which are the free ones. So most of them are the pro. Right now this one is only with the free, so I can only use this one, and also this looks really good. So once I got it, let me click here on this save. Now let's click here on the signature. I got it, and now let me copy the signature, and after that I have to simply go to my particular email platform on which I want to add this signature. So once I copy it, I have to simply go to this signature, and it is showing me all the things how I can set up my signature. So it is asking me to go to in my Gmail settings, and after that I have to go to the create new this. So simply I have to follow these steps to add my signature. Okay, this is for the Gmail, this is for the Outlook. So let's back to the other options, we can add it. So now if I click here on the default settings, here I can create the more workspaces, and it can be for my team members, for my other department members, like this stuff. Okay, so right now in the free plan I can only create the one signature, and if you are only the individual person in your, or you are running a solo agency, I think the one signature is enough for you. But if you want the some premium templates, you want to create like the signature, you have to get its the premium plans there. Okay, so right now, like I said, sync signature is available, lifetime deal starting from the $39, and here in the single plan you can create up to 10 signatures. But if you want to auto install the in your Google Workspaces, suppose you are using the Google Workspaces like me, so you need to get a tier 2 plan, and it is going to be automatically link up your Google Workspace, and after that add the signatures in them. So that's all in today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed this detailed video and learn how you can add these kind of the stylish looking signatures in your emails. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you next.